My name is Jordan Vaughn. This is my Twitter. So I have played around with some accounts, but I really only have two accounts created right now. That is Dave at Gmail and then my personal email. So I'm going to log in with my email. I'm going to see that I am following Dave at gmail.com. So I can see his tweets. I just made this tweet, as you can see, 2018, December 13th, 12:50. It's 12:51 currently. So you can see I have trending tags right here. So I can also click on these tags and find all the tweets that the hashtag appears in. I can go to notification and see that there are no new tweets since my last login. Back to home. So I can unfollow this person. It removed their tweets that aren't directly mentioning me. Let's see, I can go to profile and I can edit some info, like full name. Can't edit username or email. I'll go ahead and update my password. I don't input the password automatically since it's hashed and salted. So let's say I'll change this to cat and update. So I can see my tweets here still. I'm going to follow Dave again and see these tweets. And I also implemented in a password.java file just salts. You can see here I'm generating salts, hashing passwords. So I did do that. I didn't implement the Remember Me feature. Just didn't have time for that. And also, the order of the tweets is a bit off. So when I gather from tweets from myself and the accounts that I'm following, it orders them, but only by individual. It's not ordered as a whole set. So that's a problem that I noticed that I didn't have time to fix. And I think that is all that I had.